In the heart of the ancient land of Israel, amidst the tumultuous landscape of the kingdom of Judah, a figure emerged, destined to shape history and leave an indelible mark on the annals of time. This was the story of King David, a shepherd boy who ascended to the throne, defying the odds and transforming a kingdom on the brink of collapse into a formidable power. Born in Bethlehem, David was the 8th son of Jesse, a humble shepherd. His beginnings were simple, tending to his father's flock under the watchful eye of the Judean wilderness. Yet, within him lay a spirit that would one day ignite a revolution. The land was in crisis. The reigning king, Saul, was consumed by madness, paranoid and chaotic, leading the Israelites to the brink of disaster. The Philistines, a formidable enemy, threatened the borders, and internal strife threatened to tear the kingdom apart. In this critical moment, David, a mere shepherd boy, was summoned to the court of Saul. Armed with only a sling, a pouch of stones, and the faith of a warrior, David faced the Philistine giant, Goliath. With a single stone, hurled with unparalleled precision, David felled the giant, sending shockwaves through the Philistine ranks and capturing the hearts of the Israelites. Impressed by David's valor, Saul took him under his wing, offering him a place in his court. But the bond between the two men was fraught with tension. Saul's jealousy and paranoia grew, and he became a threat to David's life. Faced with the choice between loyalty and survival, David fled from Saul, seeking refuge in the wilderness. There, he forged an alliance with the rebellious Ahimelech, the priest of Nob, and the outlaw Saul's son, Jonathan. Together, they plotted a daring escape, evading Saul's soldiers and slipping into the heart of enemy territory. In the city of Gath, disguised as a madman, David feigned insanity before the Philistine king Achish. Fearing the wrath of Saul, Achish allowed David to reside in Gath, unaware that the shepherd boy was plotting his downfall. When opportunity presented itself, David returned to Judah, rallying the disenfranchised and the disillusioned. With guile and strategy, he outmaneuvered Saul's army, pinning them at the pass of En-gedi and forcing them to withdraw. With Saul's defeat, David's star continued to rise. He was anointed king by the prophet Samuel, and his reign would usher in a golden age for the kingdom of Judah. Under his leadership, the Israelites would defeat the Philistines, expand their borders, and establish a legacy that would endure for centuries. The story of King David is a testament to the power of courage, faith, and strategic cunning. From humble beginnings as a shepherd boy, he ascended to the throne, transforming a kingdom on the brink of ruin into a beacon of strength and prosperity. His tale serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can emerge from the most unlikely of sources.